Now, when I look at the local styles here, there's various text styles and color styles. So let's have a look at the color styles under material theme. Let's close the surfaces, state layers. I believe it's key colors. So the primary color is now blue, whereas the default color, as we can see from the material design kit, is purple. Now, if I take from the material design kit a object like the top app bar, okay, it's in the original default pink color. I can take a floating action button. I can take an icon button per here. Can take a input date picker object. So all of these objects are now in the default color scheme and not the new color scheme that we have. So what I will do is I will select these objects and go to the resources tab and go to plugins and run material theme builder. Now our material theme is still this. All I have to do is change the colors based on the dark mode or light mode, and then the dark and light mode on top of it, it has the contrast components. So let's just go and click on the light mode. What it should give us is sort of similar colors, but or similar shades or similar strength of colors, but with the new color scheme that we have chosen. So as you can see, we've now become a blue color as corresponding to this material theme color. But for the same color scheme or for the same objects in a dark mode, I can also show that by clicking on the dark mode, and now the same objects are now shown in the dark mode version, okay, automatically. So this is the power of the Material 3 Design Kit and the Material Theme Builder, that we will be able to do the same thing or the same easy switching in the app between dark and light mode with one click of a button.